Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your HP mouse for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to support.hp.com. Then from here, you want to scroll down a little bit, and then where it says more supported resources, you want to click on the option that says register your product. Now, once we've done that, we'll need to go ahead and sign in or sign up. So depending if you've got an account, go ahead and sign back in with your Google account, Microsoft, or email. If you don't have an account, just quickly go ahead and create an account here. So I'm going to continue with my Google account as I've already got a HP account. So I'm going to choose my Tutorial Wiz account for this demonstration. Then once we've done that, it's going to take us to the product registration page. So just give that a few moments to load. Now, once it's loaded, it says here, one step to add a device to your profile and register with HP. So, because we are trying to register a mouse, we want to go ahead and click on let HP detect your product. So if your mouse is plugged in and you're using it, you can use that option, or you can find your serial number on your mouse. So basically it's on the other side of your mouse, and then put in your serial number here. And they've got also on the right is select the product type for tips on finding your serial number. So they don't have mouse selected here, but we can go ahead and click on other and see if there is locate your product's information. So basically I'm going to show you different ways how to find serial numbers. So yeah, they don't have mouse listed there, but it's basically on the other side. And then yeah, just jot in your serial number here, click submit, and that's going to successfully register your HP mouse for warranty.